Hi, good day. This is Hilk Intelligent Toilet. Multiple devices and measures ensure completely safe condition. With mirror effect, born to look good. Drop dead gadgets. User-friendly side control. Easy to operate functions. Ergonomic widened seat. Human body engineering design. Feel warm in winter. Instant heating. Guarantee continuous warm water. Self-cleaning nozzle. UV. Millimeter seal. Avoid cloth infection. Up nozzle. Make wash more closer. More comfortable. Warm air. Dry wet area after cleaning. Deodorizer eliminates and reduce unpleasant odors. Rimless bowl and water jet. Create a powerful water column. Forms a spiral stream suddenly in the wall. Evacuate smoothly. Clean instantly. Less water. More flushing power. Hi, this is Hilk. Make one feel comfortable to the extreme. Love and enjoy the wash process. Enjoy the comfier, healthier, closer, cleaner wash.